Kevji, weather overview. How's it going out there, everybody? Well, this was the storm from Monday. A lot of disappointment, especially if you lived on the south shore of Long Island and even in Middle Island. Areas on the north shore of Long Island, including New York City, they got what was forecasted, as far as I'm concerned, 4 to 8 inches. And then as you go into Connecticut and into southern New England, they got quite a bit more. So they actually got over what was predicted. So an interesting storm. Disappointing for me. Didn't get what I thought would happen in my area, but very, very close, as you can see from the gradient, the tight gradient in snowfall from north to south. So that was Monday. I don't think we'll have any snow over the next 7 days in the immediate New York City area, or Long Island, or points south, but there is a threat of icy precipitation in the interior on Sunday morning. So we'll have a fine day tomorrow with a weak system going by to the south now. Tomorrow will be sunny, but then clouds will increase and they will lower and thicken as the day progresses. And then late late at night, we'll have this storm move in. It'll be rain on the coast, but interior sections of the Hudson Valley, they could deal with 1 to 3 inches of snow and sleet, or a combination thereof, and then it will change over to plain rain. And this system should get out of here by late afternoon on Sunday. So if you have any outdoor activities, it's best to do it later in the day if you had anything planned. And then we're high and dry for the most part next week, and then we'll have to see if another system wants to move through Thursday into Friday. The main energy with this system looks like it's going to be up into southeast Canada. So as we get towards Friday, we will deal with some showers, but I think the main energy is over southeast Canada, and we're not going to really have to deal with too much in the way of rainfall. The overall pattern, if we look off the GFS model, this is out to next Wednesday, March 13th. And basically, we have what we've had all winter. We have a ridge in the east and a trough in the west. That changes a little bit as we go through time, but I don't think the overall pattern supports anything in terms of major wintry weather, at least through the next 7 days. We'll have to see as we go out to around the 18th or the 19th if a storm wants to form along the eastern seaboard and give us maybe a shot at snow around that time. But that's way off in the distance and not really something that I'm concerned about with at this point. It's just going to be something that as we get closer, we'll have to look at. But the overall temperatures, the good news about the overall temperatures in the 7 day period is that we don't see a lot of below freezing temperatures across the metro and Long Island. Different story further north and west, but that's to be expected. But overall, temperatures moderating definitely from where they were this week on the heels of this Arctic outbreak that we had. So definitely turning the corner and becoming a little bit more spring-like as we go into next week.